So hello guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys a way to create a frequency separation action, the easiest way to create a frequency separation action. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So what's up YouTube, Daniel here again. I actually missed you guys. So welcome to this my new tutorial video where I will give you guys a break the workshop on how to create your own frequency separation action. But before that, I should tell you to check the link in the description. I'm giving out my free free beauty retouch actions, free beauty retouch actions for free. It's obviously free, so I'm giving out my actions for free, so just check the link in the description. Should I teach you how to install it? Maybe I'll just drop a link in the description on how to install it, so just check up. It's gonna appear on the cards. A link in the description how to install actions on your system. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So firstly, you will have to duplicate this layer twice. Ctrl J. Duplicate the layer twice. Ctrl J. Ctrl J. Two layers. This layer you name it low or blur, and this layer, or you name it high or texture. Okay, firstly you have to turn on this layer. Then in this layer you have to go to your filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So basically you pick a figure that will just blow out the skin a lot. Okay, I think 13 would be good for me. Let's go with 12. And 12 is not good enough, so 13 is okay. And hit your OK. Okay, then in this image you turn it on, click on image, apply image. In your apply image part, you click on layer. You have to you choose low or blur first. You click on subtract, scale is 2, offset is 128. That's the figures. I don't know why these figures are like that, but that's the figures I work with. That's the figures of frequency separation. Scale is 2, offset is 128. Scale is 2, offset is 128. And hit your OK. But in this layout tab, you have to come and choose the blur layer or the low frequency layer. Remember that, please. Okay. Then on this your high texture or high frequency, you come here, change it to linear light. If you did it correctly, if and only if you did it correctly, you should have an exact image. Ctrl G to group. Ctrl G to group. You should have an exact image of the one you had before. No difference. No change in texture. Nothing. Just an exact image. So you could rename this frequency. Just frequency F/S. I'm not gonna waste your time on this. So right now, I'm gonna create a blank layer on top of this. I'm gonna name this correct tone or CT, C/T, correct tone. So right now, what you have to look out for in frequency separation, basically I'm going to create another layer to it, and I'll limit look stroke, add stroke for good. So I'm going to pick my brush, my pen tool, carry a black pen, a small brush. Okay, good, this is good enough. So basically we are looking out for things like this in between highlights and shadows. We'll just be blending them out. Like this, like the best way to do your frequency separation. You understand? This is like the best way to do your frequency. Just look out for highlights and shadows. Look out for highlights and shadows. Remember, I did not really touch the blemishes or anything. I just went straight to frequency separation because that's like the aim of this video. Look out for highlights and shadows, okay? It's like highlights and shadows. Look out for highlights and shadows. Basically, that's it. So we need to practice more to get the hang of it. So off in this layer, going to my correcting tool, picking my Mr. Brush tool. If you don't know how to make your Mr. Brush tool appear, check my previous video on how to arrange it, how to optimize your toolbar to for the best. Yeah, how to optimize your toolbar for the best beauty retouch to increase your workflow, something like that. I can't really remember the heading right now. So pick your Mixer Brush tool, turning off your high texture. These are your figures: 30, 30, 30, 30, 100. Sample all has to be checked. Clean the brush after each stroke should be checked. Load the brush after each stroke should not be checked. Should not be checked. This should show you some kind of transparent form. So with that, you could zoom in a little bit to like 25% is good. So just blend. You understand? Blend. Blend. Now my goal here is to like make you guys the best that you guys could be. Just blend, you see. If I should on this, you see I've worked on here, I've worked on here, I've worked on here, I've worked on here, and now I'm working on here and here and here. So no, I could leave it off for you. No, if I should leave it on, you know, I'm going to blend this. You understand? Blend this. So just blend. Let's see what I'll be doing. So this is before, this after, this before, this after. So of this, I'll continue blending. I would have speeded this process, but then what's the use? So if we should on this, you see I'm like take care of all this, you understand? The highlighted place I made mention of. So you see, you know what just happened? I mistakenly, okay, good, let's continue. So just blend here. Understand? Blend here. And if you see me make a mistake, like you bring your cloth here and you see there's like a piece of clothes here, the color of the cloth here, the color of the hair, the color of your background is in the skin. So you just easily go to your eraser tool by pressing your E, or come here and press your eraser tool. Then clean it off gently. That's like why I use this particular method of frequency separation, so that it doesn't work destructively. Like if you make a mistake, you don't need to go and start again just to fix that one mistake. If you just go to your eraser tool, clean the parts that you don't want in the picture, and continue. Just blend. Zoom it a little bit. blend, work on it, work on here, zoom out, on, check your before, check your after. Looks good. Of this, as I zoomed out, just work on the places that, because most pictures they're gonna be viewed like this, so usually zoom out and do some final touches. But it's gonna be rough, but it helps. With time you get a hang of it. Work on here. Forget the picture also helps to straighten the cloth. Some photos use Gaussian blur though, but then Gaussian blur makes it look unrealistic. Good. So we're done with that. Moving over to the high texture with your Chrono Stamp tool. Okay, make sure your brushes are the smallest, probably 15 pixel. So you sample like this. Now I'll sample alternate to sample, and I'll just paint. That's it. Takes away all the let's say colors or frequency separation could not take care of. I'm putting your brush at a very low radius will help you retain details. Always remember that. Put your brush at a very low radius will help you retain details. And you should not sample from dark part to light part. You're always trying to sample between the radius from light to light. You understand? From light to light or from midtones to midtones. Okay. Just I'll speed this up, but then what's the use? I'm like to show you guys how to. Okay, these two things I'm not gonna leave. This is like a gold man, I need like a facial stuff. I'm not gonna touch it. So okay, go straight to our forehead. Just take out everything that blurry I could not fix. Make our skin nice and flawless. You understand? So that's it. Make our skin nice and flawless. So okay, I'm gonna fix here. I think I'm gonna have to off this layer, come back here. My mixer brush too. Let's work on here a little bit. So this is better. Coming back here, just zoom the face in general, zoom out a little bit. I think we're good to go. She's not makeup. Oh yeah, this is my model Stephanie. This photo was shot sometime last year. When I was waiting for my main model. This is not shot my model Stephanie. So just shot last year when I was waiting for my main model. She refused to come early, so I was like, and Stephanie was like on set, I was like, oh Stephanie, can I shoot you? She was like, oh okay. She smiled for me with lip gloss. So okay, so that's for that. So reviewing what we've done. Let's bring this up. Reviewing what we've done, you see. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. So this is before and this is after. You see, we blended here, worked on here, some worked on here. Just blended from the highlights to the shadows, made it have a smooth transition. You understand? That's basically frequency separation. Then work on the textures of the skin. Work on the textures of the skin. That was all basically. I think we should be yes. I think we should remove this. Okay. Basically, we are done. That's about frequency separation. So I think we'll come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment of the things you feel I missed out. But basically, this is like the easiest way to do your frequency separation. Don't forget, I'll be dropping the link to my actions. There's a link to my actions in the link in the description. I think the first link, a Google Drive link, I guess. It's like a way of giving back to humanity. So